हे गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे एमएस एक्सेल्स एंड एमएस वर्ड के टॉप एमसीक्यूज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एमएस एक्सेल्स इज बेस्ड ऑन डैश। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस ए विंडोज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन द फार्मूला which symbol specify the fixed columns or row. Right answer is options A. Next question, MS Excel is a powerful dash. Right answer is spreadsheets package. Next question, which charts can be created in MS Excel? Right answer is options D, all of the above. Next question, which of the following is a popular DOS-based spreadsheets package? Right answer is options D, Lotus 1 to 3. Next question, what is the shortcut key to highlight the entire column? Right answer is options D, Control plus space bar. Next question, which area in an Excel's windows allow entering values and formulas? Right answer is option C, formula bar. Next question, Excel's display the current cell address in the dash. Right answer is option C, name bar. Next question, how do you display current dates only in MS Excel? Right answer is options B part, today. Next question, what is the shortcut key to replace a data with another's in sheet? Right answer is option C, Control plus H. Next question, comments can be added to cell using. Right answer is options B part. Next question, an Excel workbooks is a collection of dash. Right answer is options D, worksheets and chart. Next topics, MS Word MCQs. Question number 1, Microsoft Word is a dash. Right answer is option C, computers applications program. Next question, what is MS Word used for? Right answer is options D, designs text. Next question, Microsoft Word was released in which year? Right answer is option C, 1983. Next question, Office button is symbolized with which features on MS Word? Right answer is options B, ribbon. Next question, Microsoft Office 2007 introduced the ribbons as a dash element. Right answer is options B, user interface. Next question, how many tabs are there in ribbons in MS Word? Right answer is options B, 7. Next question, which of the following is not present in MS Word? Right answer is option C, brush. Next question, documents can be dash with MS Word. Right answer is options D, all of the above. Next question, what was the initial names of Microsoft Word when it was released? Right answer is options D, multi-tool Word. Next question, which of the following options is provided by Office button? Right answer is options D, all of the above. Next question, which of the following tabs is the default in MS Word? Right answer is Home tab. Thank you.